Hey guys, today I'm checking out these cool AI recording and translation earbuds called the Recolx Fit 2. So let's open up the box and see how they work. Here. Quick start guide and instructions at the bottom. USB cable. Also comes with a cleaning tool. And here are the earbuds themselves. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. Three little beeps, and suddenly I'm connected, synced, and ready to capture anything with perfect clarity. The first thing that surprised me was how well they record calls. With crystal clear voice capture, even when I'm in a noisy cafe or in a busy office. And with AI noise reduction to help filter out everything except the conversation I actually care about. And while I'm talking, the earbuds can also transcribe the call in real time. When I hang up, the transcript is waiting for me, perfectly organized. And the AI has already generated a clear summary, so I don't have to scroll through pages of text. But the part that genuinely blew my mind is what the earbuds do with videos and live streams. I can watch a lecture, a webinar, or a video in a different language, and the earbuds will transcribe everything as it happens. Then they can also translate it instantly from over 145 different languages, all processed in real time.
El dolor y su traducción cara a cara, lo que significa que puede traducir a un hablante de otro. Así que si una persona habla español y otra habla inglés, podrás entender lo que esa persona está diciendo.
Suddenly, content that used to be inaccessible becomes understandable. And if I don't have time to watch the whole thing, the earbuds generate a smart summary so I can get the key points without sitting through an hour-long video. And everything connects seamlessly. The Bluetooth connection is fast and stable, and every recording, transcript, and summary shows up in the Recolx app. I just finish a meeting, open the app, and everything is already organized for me right there. It can also last up to 5 hours on its battery, which is more than enough for a full day of use. And they can easily be topped back up by USB-C. They're also lightweight and open air, so I can wear them for hours without discomfort and help me to actually focus on the moment. You're getting a full AI assistant disguised as audio gear. They capture conversations, understand them, translate them, and organize them automatically. So if you ever wished your earbuds could actually help you work and not just play music, then you guys definitely need to check out the Recolx Fit 2 earbuds today. And you guys can find out more about them in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.